Hey there, this is Ni Amuda. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to be making a birthday design for Professor Emmanuel Akpe. He's called the Prince of Copywriters, someone that have actually influenced my life when it has to do with writing copies and making money in this online space. Alright, so we'll go to PixelLab and we'll begin the design. So I've already imported the picture, so the picture is right here. But let's get the background that we're going to be using. So if you are new, remember to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post tutorials like this. It's always amazing when you come. Okay, so this is what we're going to be using. All right, so I want to maintain the size. So I've brought this in. I'll go right here. I'll pick this design, all right, because I want to maintain this size. Okay, I'll go to gallery and I'll pick this one here and I'll okay it. All right, then I'll go again and then change it to any color of my choice. In this case, I'm going to be using white. All right, so that is it. All right, this is what I want to use. So I'm going to separate it into two. Okay, so I'll come here now. I'll go to erase color. Sorry, did I say eraser? No, erase color. I'll go to erase colors here and I'll take a part of the design. I'm sorry, eraser. All right, so I'll increase the blur effect and not this one. All right, and increase the size a little and then let's zoom. All right, so that we'll see exactly what we're doing. So I'm going to take this part out like this. Watch me. So I'm going to take this part out like this. You're seeing it. You can see that now. Okay, all right, so I'll still move out some of these guys. I'll increase this so that, all right, move out some of these guys. Okay, then okay it. Okay, so now we can separate the two images. How? I'll copy it. All right, so copy so that this one will crop here at. Are you seeing it? Okay, so this one can stay on its own now. You can see. So this will stay on its own. All right here. Then this also can stay on its own. The same thing. We'll take it like this. Okay, let's go take it. Okay, yeah. Okay, so this one is on its own also. So it's gonna be here. Are you getting it? All right. Okay. All right. So there's a separation now between both. You get. So I want to bring Prof picture now. This. Now bring it to the front. Okay. All right. So this is it. Now this Prof picture right here. Is you see the edges. We can work on it actually so that the edge will sit. But let's see if we bring this one to the front like this. How do you see it? Okay, how do you see this? All right, so I'm going to take this one down a little like this. Okay, and I'll work on this. All right, so I'll work on the image. So I'll go over here and this and add. All right, okay. All right, perfect. All right, perfect. Brightness. All right, so this is it. All right, so let's bring in text typography. So we'll come over here and then we'll put okay, so we'll put okay, so let's say birthday, right? So we'll duplicate it and put another one here and another there. Oh, sorry about that. Okay, so birthday, put it again there and put it again there. So this is it. So we'll come over here now, we'll change the font to this. Alright, so let's use, okay, perfect. Alright, so let's go to the line spacing and close it up a little. Alright, so I am going to go to color now. So I'll pick the color from the road. Okay, so I'll go to this color picker and I'll pick the color from here. Alright, so this is it. Okay, so now I'm going to send this birthday stuff to the back. Right, back. So go to back. Are you seeing this? Okay, so now we'll bring in Prof and some other quotes here. So let's come over here. Okay, so I'm just gonna write one of Prof's favorite quotes. Right, so I'll write, if you know your onions, you will eat your suya. Okay, you will eat your suya. Alright, you see it's already there. So this is one of Prof favorite quotes that I know. Alright, and I like it so much. It means if you gain mastery, you know exactly how to do your work, your business, whatever your skill set. If you know it very well, that means you will not lack customer, you will not lack money, you will always get people patronizing you. Okay, you will have money. Okay, so this is, go back. I wanted 2 lines. Okay, oh, it's now started again. Okay. So let's reduce this a little. Okay. Right, that's one of Emmanuel's Akpe favorite quote. So can we work on this? Let's go. Go to. Alright, alright, okay. Alright, happy birthday. So let's get Prof's name. So come over here now, copy this and put it right here. Alright, so it's gonna be Emmanuel. Okay, so say Prof. Okay, Emmanuel Akpe. So I'm gonna use a script font. Let's zoom and see what we're doing. Right, so Prof Emmanuel. So this is going to move. Right, just increase it and move it. It's not moving. Okay, so take it out. Okay. Alright, so okay. So we'll go to font and get this guy here. Alright. So instead of this, we can take. Okay, let's go. Let's to reduce it. Okay, increase. Alright, increase. Okay, so let's zoom in. See that. All right, so this is happy birthday. It's obvious that it's a birthday design. All right, there is a road that shows it's crossing into another phase of his life. Happy birthday, Professor Emmanuel Akman. So the next thing I want to put there is the date. Okay, so I'm going to use a circle to depict that. So I'll pick, sorry about that, I'll pick the date from here. So I even use put it here. Okay, I'll go over there and I'll pick that same color that I'm seeing in the road. It's a kind of an orange. So how do we do that? Let's use grade and pick it like this. Come here, the first color is going to be this. Pick here and go to the road. Pick this dark shade here. All right, then that's one. Then we'll come over here, pick this and go over to the road, pick the lighter shade. I think, yeah. Okay, let's take it this way, move it a little. Okay, so this is it. All right, so we'll just zoom in and then put in the digits there. All right, so I'm going to be using this font here. So today is August 2nd, so let's go. You say August. Okay, so say August like this. Okay, so the fonts we would use is this, no, this right here, this. Okay, right, so color is going to be a black color. Right, okay, so copy this and then date. So it will be like this second, but this time around we're going to use a light shade of the font, which is this one here. All right, so position this very well, and let's add shadow to it, and let the shadow fence to this side. Right, so all right, so let's see how many minutes we have left. So this is it. It's a birthday post. Okay, so it's the birthday is obvious at the back, but though the picture is covering it, but it can still be seen. Okay, that is the birthday design. So Professor Emmanuel is here. All right, so let's make it now obvious. All right, let's make it obvious by putting happy birthday. So come here now and copy this and put it there. All right, so put the happy birthday there. All right, so just write happy birthday. So you just like this, happy. Right, then you go and take this script font, but then let the color be this. Right, then take the script font that you use for the prof, which is this here. So to depict the happy, then the birthday can be the other font style. So this is it. So use padding to get it out. Pad it out. This. Right, so happy. Alright, so let's put it there. Then the birthday, of course. So this is gonna be for the birthday. So let's go. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you get notified whenever post tutorial like this is posted. Alright, so almost every day you will get tutorials from this channel. So I'm going to put this here. Okay, so I'm going to also push this here. Alright, so it's now obvious that it's a birthday design. Okay, it's not obvious that it's a birthday design. Alright, so I would make a little brightness here, increase the brightness here. Alright, perfect. So this is Prof Emmanuel Akpe. Alright, and this is August 2nd, and this is my birthday post or design for my prof. Alright, so that is it. check the screen right now. You're going to see all the tutorials that you will find very helpful. Tutorials on graphic design, tutorials on that will help you in the graphic design skill, whether you're using smartphone or PC. Don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell. Don't leave. Click the notification bell and hit the subscription button also, so that you get notified whenever I post tutorial like this. I'm your friend Emmanuel. I will see you in the next tutorial.